Hey guys, welcome to our ATA Learn While Relaxing. In this video, I am gonna share you all with how decision table works. Now, in our day-to-day life, we go through various decisions. Sometimes we have to make some simple decisions, and many other times we go through complex decision makings. For example, I am getting delay for going my office. Now, should I go directly to office or first I have some breakfast, then I will go to my office? Another example, there is only half minutes gap for my current lecture to be over and another lecture to start. Now, should I fill my water bottle within this half minute gap or I will fill this bottle after both the lectures are over? Now, these are the some examples of simple decisions we make in our day-to-day life. But in real world, software engineering, AI field, data science field, we have to make some complex decision makings and programmers, developers, designers, and architects nowadays show less interest to draw flowchart for complex decisions. Rather, they prefer decision tables or decision trees to avoid complexity, redundancy, and inconsistency. Why? In decision table, the main purpose is we it is a logic table where we draw a tabular form for various actions to be taken for various combinations of conditions. First, a raw decision table is drawn, then it goes through 6 to 7 phases of refinements. In each phase of refinement, we try to improve, to enhance, to trim and clean the previous page decision table so that to avoid complexity of previous page decision table and to avoid redundancy of the previous page decision table. We can also prefer decision tree. Now, how do you know where we can prefer a decision table and where we can prefer a decision tree? Now, the situation where we have less number of conditions but many numbers of actions, then we can prefer a decision tree. But if we have various number of conditions with the various number of actions, then we try to prefer a decision table. In decision table, there are generally four components. In the top left, we specify the conditions. In top right, we specify the decision rules and boolean values for each conditions of for be true and false for each case. In bottom left component, we specify the actions, and in bottom right component we specify which condition is going to be performed or which combination of conditions are going to be performed for each decision rule. In a decision table, we try to include each edge cases so that it will be easy for a programmer or coder to convert this logic into a software or a program. Now, if we talk about decision tree, there are some basic terms which we need to know, like a root node, primary node, secondary node, and branches and leaves. The primary node, a root node, these are the conditions, and through branches we go to the leaf nodes where the leaf node can again be a condition or an action. So these decision tables and trees help us to make complex decisions These are frequently used in data science, AI/ML field, and software engineering field. But there is one and main disadvantage of decision table or using decision tree is that using flowchart we can write a complete program, but using decision table it is not it is not so suitable to write a complete program using a decision table only. So that's it for today, and thanks for watching this video till the end. Bye bye.